Greetings, brothers and sisters. I would like to welcome you all to another episode of Positive Lifestyle Management Awareness Sessions. My name is Steve Taylor, and I come to you today, just bringing joy, and 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 happiness, man, because far too long, man, what we've been going through is, and what we've been suffering from is just sadness and despair and everything, man. But before I get into this video, I would like to say to this topic, I would like to say, hit those like buttons, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and send me your comments, because I really read your comments and I like the job of saying. So now to get into this topic here, each and every one of you brothers and sisters should give yourselves a big shout out. And the reason I say this is because over the last year, we have come a long way. We have come a long way, and we still coming a long way. Everything is starting to bend itself back together like it's supposed to be, and that's great. And y'all owe it all to yourselves, man, for seeing the bigger picture and understanding that, yes, we have gone through some tough times. Yeah, we're going to see some more tough times in the future. But we always have to remember that through all these tough times, we've always had each other, and we've always found a way out of it. So we stand together. We stand together as one mind, one body, one soul. That goes for every brother, every sister. You all have been doing a tremendous job. So look at each other and say, I love my brother. I love my sister. Because when you're saying you love your brothers and your sisters, what you're saying, I am willing to accept responsibility for you, and I am willing to share responsibility with you. And that's what it's about. Just know we are not separated. We are not the other side. There's only one side. And that is the side of the master of the vision. The master of the vision. That's the side. There is no other side. We all have the same goals. We all have the same struggle. We are all a part of the same struggle. And struggle meaning movement. Look at yourselves. And when you look at yourself, you say, man, we're doing it. We're doing it one day at a time, one step at a time. Don't get discouraged. No, I want to read something to you. And it's coming from the Oath of Persistence. It says, we will avoid despair. We will toil, and we will endure. Through everything, we have always avoided despair. We have always toiled. We have always endured. Like it says, we will ignore the obstacles at our feet and keep our eyes on the goals of our organization. For we know that where dry desert is, green grass grows. And so we coming to the end of the dry desert. Just keep doing what you're doing. Everybody communicate, because everybody wants the same thing. Just keep working and let everything else work itself out. Everything is going to be okay. And know that your brother and your sisters are not your enemies. They on the same side as you are. And with that, I just want to thank everybody for putting forth that effort. because it's all about the master of the vision. Everybody's putting the effort forward. Everybody is doing the work. Just keep doing the work. And don't look at your brothers and your sisters as them being some totally different than you. Because they're not. And this is the business. I stand for unity. I stand for togetherness. I stand on the 6 principles. So whenever you see me and whenever I speak, it's always to uplift and to teach. You're not my enemy. I'm not your enemy. I'm not out here to hurt you. I'm out here to teach. And I'm out here to learn. Although I have over 4 decades, 43 years to be exact, of knowledge, I'm always open to learn new things. I'm not egotistical. I don't care about the other things that people focus on. All I care about is doing the work. Whatever needs to be done, that's what I'm focused on. I love you all. I'm here for you. Reach out to me. No matter who you are, I'll communicate with you. Just know this here, I'm not on no negativity. I'm strictly about positive, productive thoughts and ideas. There are 3 kinds of minds. Great mind discusses ideas, mediocre mind discusses things, and small mind discusses people. I got a great mind. I'm about discussing ideas. So if you have any ideas, if anybody can help positive lifestyle management in a positive and productive way, man, help. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. Help me get to 100,000 subscribers. Because when you helping me, you helping yourself. Let's do this shit. I know we can do it. This is our platform. This platform is for us. If you want to come on the platform and you got something to say, man, you are welcome to come on the platform. This is ours. This was created for us. Let's use it for us. Because we are one mind, one body, one soul. There is no other side. There's only one side. And that's the side of the master of the vision. And with that, my final words, I'm going to say, hashtag free Larry Hoover now.